Hello board game fans, today I'm going to give you an unboxing of a game I received last week. It's a game I backed on Kickstarter a few months ago and was delivered to me, like I said, last week, which is always nice when you receive the pledge you did. As you can see, there are a number of components lying on the table. It's the base game, an expansion and playmat, and some extra cards. I can't remember anymore if they were stretch goals or not, but what I do know is the playmat and the expansion are not included in the base set. So maybe I can start off with showing you the playmat. It's a nice playmat with different zones to place your cards while playing the game. It looks like it's of nice quality. The art is really great, although I can see that here on the edge of the playmat the border is already a bit torn, so I don't know if the quality is that great or that lasting. That's something we will have to see. So this is the playmat. I'm going to rearrange my components a bit so you can see the playmat nicely. As said, there were some extra cards I received in my mail. It looks like an extra monster and maybe some kind of trap, I don't know. I guess it will be a monster. And some extra items that will be able to be used in the game. Also included was this zip bag, which are the 4 kind of heroes. I don't know why they are included. Maybe they have different stats or something like that. I will have to check that later on. So we have the mage, the rogue, the warrior and the priest. Okay. Then let's look what the base game has to offer. Like you see, the game is Dungeon Dwellers by Scott Ostrander. It's a cooperative card game for 2 or more players, age 13 and up, and it's made by S2 Adventures. So the box looks really nice. Nice art on the side. The logo. Here we have the mage. On the back we have a nice opponent, the dragon, all 4 heroes, and like you see, it's for 2 or more players, ages 13 and up, and it plays in an hour. So I will be able to find a rule book, 378 cards, 50 experience tokens, 8 10-sided dice and 4 health trackers into the box. So let's see if we can find these. To be honest, looking at the box, I'm impressed. I like the art, and the box really has a firm look and feel to it. So what can we find inside? We have the rulebook. It already has a dent on it, I see. Going to the rulebook for the first time, it looks kind of bit of boring, to be honest. It looks like The quality of the pictures aren't that great. Also the layout is kind of bit of dull, but of course if it does a good job explaining the rules, that's all you need. So that's the rule book. Then we have the health trackers. They are 1, 2, 3, 4 of them included. They are I don't know if they are that easy to use. It looks like the wheel is turning very easy, maybe. Oh, that's better. So if you buy the game, just push these buttons a bit harder, which make the wheels a bit harder to turn, so the numbers will be more easily on their positions. So we have 4 health tokens, or health boards, 10 dice, and here we have several tokens. These are red ones and blue ones. Also, the box, as you can see, comes with a nice inlay. It's always easy to store the components of the game. It's also always a nice addition. And then we have the cards. There are a lot of cards in this game. Let's see if the art on the cards is as impressive as the art we found on the box and on the playmat. Can always be a pain to open the cards. Let's see. Here we go. Here we see, I guess, the rogue. They all have the same image, not a lot of different art. Here we have the warrior. We can see some stats and abilities here. I guess this will be an armor icon, shield icon. Also all the same, the art is all the same. I guess the artist of this game will not have had many work, different kind of arts to illustrate. Let's open another package. This is the priest, I guess. I'm going to go quickly through this deck, since the art is always the same. Not a lot of different things to show you. Here we have the rogue. The art is nice, just a shame there is not a lot of variation to it. Okay, that's the second deck. What will we have here? Bridge room. I guess this will have different kind of illustrations. And again, I'm struggling to get it open. So here we have a bridge, a corridor, a bridge, a corridor with a different icon. As you can see, again, a lot of the art is reused. Here we have the mage, and all these cards except the last one are from the mage. So there are 3 more decks. Here we have warrior cards where all characters are illustrated. Again, they are mostly all the same. Of course they have different abilities, but the illustrations are the same. And here are cards I think represent gold. This will be probably the treasures you will find while exploring the dungeon. The cards have a good feel in your hand. They feel firm, sturdy. So the component quality looks fine. Now let's see if we can find the monsters you will be facing exploring the dungeon. All gold. Gain a treasure from your discard pile, so sometimes you will draw different kind of treasures. And again, these are all the same, no monsters yet, so that will have to be included in the last package. I guess we saved the best for last, the different kind of monsters we will be facing during this game. Let's see if we can find them. Another set of... here they are. We have the spider, the elemental, the dragon, a minotaur, an aberration, the lich king, it's a great lich, and the dragon, another dragon. Okay, there are some fearsome opponents you will encounter in the game. Yes, the adventurers will have to work very well together to face all these abominations. So I guess the variation in the art is done for the monsters. As you can see, each monster is unique. I guess this is the type of work the illustrator had the most work about. There is treasure room, torture room, swinging axe, small room. So that's what concerned about the base game. We have these different sets, so the last thing I can show you is this little box, the Barbarian Expansion. Actually, like was mentioned on the box, Dungeon Dwellers is a game for 4 players, and with this expansion you can play the game with 5. As the name suggests, it adds the barbarian character. It's also a very nice box. It has also a description at the back. Requires Dungeon Dwellers to play. It includes another health track and 2 sets of cards. I guess, yeah, this will be even more difficult to open. Let's see. if I'm able to achieve it. And it's really difficult. Let me see. Here we are, the Barbarian. Have all kinds of abilities and weapons. Also has the same art. And I guess in this last package we will find the character card too. Here we go, here he is, or new character card, and another bunch of abilities, armor, equipment we can use for this character. Okay, this is the unboxing of Dungeon Dwellers. As you can see, there are a lot of components to the game. At first I was really impressed with the quality and the illustrations on the box. To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed. There is so much reuse of the illustrations, and equipment doesn't have its own unique illustrations, but well, the art style is great, and art isn't the thing that makes a game great, so we will see what the game will be all about. You may expect a review of the game itself in a few weeks or months after I have had enough time to go through the game. Thank you for watching this unboxing video. Please feel free to comment in the comment sections, give suggestions, remarks, any questions. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.